And welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. And once again, temperatures were a couple of degrees above where we should be this time of year. So here's a look at our North Platte time lapse. We increased the clouds as we made our way through the late afternoon to the evening. That's basically all of the moisture from that cold front as it made its way through. It produced some thunderstorms off to our east, but we really got nothing out of it. High temperatures for the day today did reach 92 at North Platte, Broken Bow, and Lexington, near 90 at Valentine and Thedford, and low to mid 90s out toward Ogallala and Imperial. So here's a look at the temperatures outside right now with a northerly wind and mainly clear skies. They are starting to fall into our eastern counties, upper 60s to near 70, 71 at North Platte and Thedford, 67 at Valentine, and 70 right now at Hyannis. And here's a look at the wind now flipping around to a northerly direction. Still pretty light out there, 5 to 10 miles per hour in most places. As you look off to our south and to our east, still a little bit of warm air where the front hasn't made its way through yet, but most of our viewing area is now on the cool side of this system. We've lost the clouds from earlier this evening, and most of us now have clear to mostly clear skies out there. Here's a look at the wide view, and we do have one high pressure system exiting. That gave us that southerly or even southeasterly wind. This frontal boundary is moving through, showers and thunderstorms off to our east, and we have right now the cool flow from another high pressure system that is going to be in charge as we go through the next few days. Temperatures falling back through the 60s as we go through the evening. Should have lows in the upper 50s with some clouds to start off the day tomorrow, but then we get back to a good amount of sunshine. That northerly wind gets temperatures only into the lower 80s for highs. And then for the morning on Saturday, with the clear skies and that late northerly wind, we cool off even further for low temperatures into the mid 50s, and high temperatures on Saturday will add a few more degrees, and it'll put us into the low, maybe some mid 80s out there, still with a lot of sunshine to start the weekend. So here's the weather pattern that we've had so far. This is for the past 6 to 8 weeks. That jet stream to our north and all of the disturbances, severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, really hitting the northern plains while we get barely anything. High pressure in charge of our forecast, giving us that persistent heat with 90s to even many days this summer over 100. The thunderstorms are in the deep south with the tropical moisture and into the desert southwest with that monsoon moisture. Here's a look at what we're looking at as we go through the next few days. So that frontal boundary has moved off to the east. We're on the cool side of this high as we go through your Friday and your Saturday with those highs in the low to mid 80s, but the high pressure system still gives us a good amount of sunshine. Now, it will very slowly crest over us and move off to the east, and we'll get into more of a southerly flow and warm up by a few degrees each day until we're back into the upper 80s and lower 90s as we finish out the weekend and start next week. And the high continues to give us a good amount of sunshine, lots of sunshine not only here, but all the way to the west coast. Let's take a look at the forecast for tonight. We'll have mostly clear skies. It'll be slightly cool with lows mainly into the mid to upper 50s, and for the day tomorrow mostly sunny and not as warm with most of us around that 83 degree mark. There's your northerly wind, 10 to 20 miles per hour, and for Saturday lots of sunshine. We're going to say seasonably warm. Average temperatures this time of year around 85 or 86 degrees. That's where most of us will be as we start the weekend. No real moisture chances making our way all the way through Sunday, but we keep getting warmer. Upper 80s Sunday and Monday, lots of sunshine, near 90 on Tuesday and Wednesday. Still sunny to mostly sunny skies. Looks like we have fewer rain chances than we thought for mid to late next week. Only a 10% chance Wednesday and a 20% chance of storms on next Thursday. Kent?
So tomorrow is certainly a nice way to end a week that has been, for the most part, on the mild side.
Yeah, 83 is going to feel good with that complete sunshine.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. New parents searching for baby formula may have a better chance of buying it now. The market research firm Information Resources Incorporated says out-of-stock rates for powder baby formula are showing some improvement. According to the firm's data, 25% of the infant products were out of stock last week. That's better than the rate was in mid-July when it hit a high of 31%. The stock rate for other baby formulas like ready-to-drink and liquid products is better than the powdered versions. Only about 16% of those formulas showed out of stock. And here's something interesting for families to chew on. With soaring inflation, the gap between grocery store items and restaurant food is the widest it's been in half a century, meaning in some cases dining out